Hey, welcome to DuanesWorld. It's me, Duane, the BoozinBlogger, coming at you with another episode of Cooking with DuanesWorld. That's right, today we are going to make something I've never made before, so I'm hoping this turns out right. Meatball sub casserole. 6 ingredients: marinara sauce, country biscuits, Italian seasoning, garlic salt, and mozzarella. So there you go, folks. That's all it takes. So first off, we take our, oh, by the way, it cooks at 375. So first off, we take our pan, spray it with pan and Pam. Yeah, that's right. And get that in there so it slips out. We don't have any fusses about it. Next, we take our country biscuits. Oh, there we go. Found the opening. Okay. Okay. There we go. We got our biscuits opened. We take our biscuits, and it says to cut all 8 of them into 4s, or 8, sorry. If you hear the clicking around, that's my dog, Hank. He's curious as to what we're doing, or he's actually hungry probably, I don't know. Usually hungry. Anyway, so this is what they look like, your little biscuits once you get them out. And then what you do is you cut them into 8s. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so now we've got all our little pieces here. They're all cut up, see that? So now we add them to the greased skillet pan, or whatever you want to call this. I don't know what you call it. You just put it in there haphazardly, apparently, I don't know. All right, so we've got them all layered in there, cut and layered, see that? Nice and pretty. Now we go on to create our sauce for it. So we take 1.5 cups of marinara. There is 1. There's 1/2. Okay. Actually, we're going to put in another little bit. There, just a little bit more. Alright. So there's our marinara in the pot, or in the bucket. Now, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, Italiano, with our cup. There's our 1/2 teaspoon there. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. There you go, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Okay, we need to mix it up a bit. So we take our handy dandy little spoon and mix the seasonings in fairly well so that you get it all mixed in. Alright, and then once you're done that, what does it say? Let's coat dough. Okay, so now once this is all mixed in, you pour it over the dough. So there we go, we're all mixed in. This is what she looks like. We got it all in there like that. Now it says we take our meatballs and we nestle the thawed meatballs on top of the dough pieces. So put them all over the top of the dough, and there. Okay, so there's our meatballs in on top of the marinara and dough concoction. And then it says to have 2 cups of shredded mozzarella. So you get a cup of mozzarella. Okay, that's not enough mozzarella. We like more mozzarella. We like more cheese on ours, don't we, folks? Yes, we do. So we'll add like a cup and a half at this instance, just to make it look pretty. There. All right, and then we keep a cup for later. There we go. Now we cook it in the oven for bake for 30 minutes. Got to put foil over it. It says to spray the foil so that the cheese does not stick, but we have this non-stick stuff, so I don't need to worry about that. So there, I've covered my lid. Goes into the oven, 375 for 13 minutes, folks. Okay, and I'll be back. All right, we're back. It's been 30 minutes in the oven, so now it says we take it out and we sprinkle more cheese on it. So we get our handy dandy little cork things. This is in the way. Get our handy dandy cork things, and then we take her out. Okay, so it says to take the foil off. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at that. All right, so it says to take the foil off and then add your other cup of mozzarella to the top and put it back in the oven to either cook for 15 minutes or you can broil it for a minute or two. All right, so we're going to cook it for another 15 minutes. So we'll just sprinkle our cheese on top. We're okay. So yeah, I mentioned earlier that we like cheese. So we're using like 3 cups of cheese instead of 1.5 or 2. But that's okay. The more cheese, the merrier. It's all gooey, delicious. All right, so now we leave it uncovered for 15 more minutes. So it goes back on our pan and back in the oven for 15 minutes. There we go. Alright, so the timer went off. This is what it looks like. Now we like our cheese a little bit more browned. So I'm going to put it in under broil for 2 minutes. Just to brown it up a little. We put it right down here on the middle. Cancel off the bake. Put on broil. Hit start. Now we'll wait a couple of minutes and it'll brown it right up. Alright, so there we have it, folks. It's been broiled. Look at that nice color. Isn't that beautiful? It is. That is one good looking piece of food. There we go, up onto here. I'm going to let it cool down a bit before I eat. No, I'm not. Screw it. I'm going to get my handy dandy spatula. Plate. Uh-oh. Hank, that's way too hot for you. There we have it, folks. That's steam coming off that puppy. Yeah. Anyway, that's it, folks. We have our meatball sub casserole. Looks delicious. Can't wait. I'll let you know what it tastes like in my descriptions. I will put the directions and the recipe in my descriptions as well. I'll be back next week. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I can always use more subscribers. Take care of yourselves and each other. Remember the most important thing in life. Don't be a fucking asshole.